Hey guys, so welcome back and I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be my January favorites. Now I have a few things which I've been loving in the month of January, so I thought of sharing it with you all. So let's just quickly begin with the video. So the first thing that I have is this hand woven sweater or inner that my mom made for me. It's like a blackish greyish kind of a color, as you can see, and I absolutely love this one. It's got this boat neck and the sleeves are super pretty, and the length is also quite nice, like it's just finishes on my tummy, so it looks like you're wearing a bustier or a crop top. And I have been wearing this all throughout the January and I love it so much because it is super warm. Like, I cannot emphasize enough how warm this thing is, only because it's homemade, I think. And I just love it, and I think it would look super cute if you wear it with a high-waisted jeggings and this over a coat or something. So I really look forward to wearing this in February as well, and this has been my most favorite item from January. So the next thing I have is a must-have for every girl. It's the Batiste Instant Hair Dry Shampoo in the flavor Tropical. Throughout January, I've been reaching out to this product a lot because when you have to go out somewhere and you're procrastinating like hell and you don't want to get out of the bed to wash your hair, this comes handy dandy. Like, literally this comes so handy, and I just love this one. It makes your hair look fine for another 1 or 2 days, and the length of my hair, it's very difficult to every time wash it and then dry it. It's a task. So yeah, this one was really handy. Now the third thing is also related to hair. I'm not showing it to you guys, but I just want to share with you. So during December, my hair was were in a very pathetic conditions. Like, it happens with me every time I have my exams. I neglect my hair and everything else. So I wasn't oiling my hair, or I wasn't taking care of my hair, and every time I used to wash it, I used to get so much of hair fall. Like, it used to be like this much bunch of hair falling off, and I used to be so scared. So in January, I started oiling my hair with mustard oil. Now I've already shared this in my hair care routine video, if you guys remember, that I only oil my hair with mustard oil or with coconut oil. I don't go for those exotic spas, hair spa and those fancy kind of things. So I've been using mustard oil for almost a month now. Like, I started using it somewhere in the starting of January, and I've been using it ever since. And every time I wash my hair, I make sure that I apply mustard oil almost like 2 or 3 hours before washing my hair, and the results have been tremendous. Like, I am so thankful that my hair are back again with the same shine and the same softness, and the hair fall has reduced to a much greater extent. So it is definitely my favorite from January. And please guys, if you have a problem with the hair fall, or your hair are too rough, or you want your hair to be better, please apply mustard oil. I know it stinks, but it can do wonders for your hair, trust me on that. So I'm not a very big fan of green teas or something of that sort. I am a very coffee person. I don't drink a lot of tea or chai. So I came across this. A friend gave me this thing. This is the Nutrus Virgin Apple punch with cinnamon. It's like a green tea kind of a thing. So I tried this, and oh my god, it is so yummy. Like, I'm actually having it right now, as you can see. It tastes so good. I really liked it, and it has a pinch of cinnamony flavor to it, and I love cinnamon. So yeah guys, if you are someone who likes green teas, or if you're someone who is really a tea lover, you should give this a try. Definitely give this a try. I really like it. So yeah, that was the tea. Next thing I have is totally opposite of the tea or the healthy options. I've got Dairy Milk Silk Oreo. It's crunchy, it's chocolatey. I just love this thing. So my sister gave this to me, and it was lying in my bag for like 2 or 3 days, but I had it, and oh my god, this is definitely one of the best things that I've tried in January. So I really liked it. If you're someone who likes nutty chocolates, or you like wafer chocolates, you're gonna like this. Like, I don't know how to describe it, but I really like this chocolate, and this is definitely one of my favorites. And it's already open because I got this again yesterday night because I knew I have to film my January favorites. So I thought of I'll just buy this and show this to you guys and then eat. But I just couldn't wait, so I just had it in the night itself and I saved it to show it to you guys. Next up I have is a kajal. This is the Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. This is one of my most favorite kajals. I recently got this. This is actually my mom's. I borrowed it from her and I started using it. This is like amazing. It does not smudge. It is so nice. And also I remember one of you also suggested me in the comment section to buy this, and I think this one is definitely one of the best kajals I've ever tried. It is a bit expensive, and it was around 450 or something. You can use it to line your eyes, as an eyeliner or as a kajal, whatever you want to, and I really like this thing. So yeah, definitely this was one of my favorites. Sorry, I have to drink my tea as well. So the last thing that I have is my favorite TV show. It has to be Sherlock. Oh my god, like, if you're a Sherlock fan, please comment below. I love the series. I have been a huge fan of Sherlock. So I was eagerly waiting for season 4 for such a long time, like for so many months I was waiting, and finally I got to watch it in the month of January itself. I love the direction of the show and I just love everything about Sherlock. So yeah guys, this was my January favorites. I had a couple of favorites. So I really hope you like this video. Also, I just want to request you all a little something, like so there's this contest going on Ruposo. If you guys follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you already know about it. So if you watch my videos and you're a subscriber, then please make sure you vote for me on the Ruposo app. What you have to do is you just have to download the Ruposo app. I will link the app in the description box for you, and so you just have to follow me on Ruposo and just vote for me. It would mean a lot. In case you've already voted for me, thank you so much, and in case you haven't and you like my videos, or even if one of my videos has helped you in some or the other way, then please you just vote for me. It would mean a lot. And thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you guys in my next video really soon. Bye.